Today I'm going to teach you how to zoom in or out in Google Maps. This is a fundamental skill that will help you navigate and explore locations with precision, whether you're planning a route or simply browsing different areas. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the familiar Google Maps interface ready for exploration. From this point, you have two simple methods available to control your zoom level, and I'll walk you through both of them. The first method is incredibly straightforward and uses your mouse scroll wheel. Simply position your cursor over the area of the map you want to focus on, then use your scroll wheel to zoom in or out. Scrolling up will zoom in, bringing you closer to the map and revealing more detail about streets, buildings, and landmarks. Scrolling down will zoom out, giving you a broader view of the surrounding area. This method is particularly useful because it's quick and intuitive, allowing you to make rapid adjustments as you explore different locations. Now let's talk about the second method, which uses the built-in zoom controls on the interface itself. Look over to the right side of your screen, typically in the lower right corner, and you'll notice two distinct icons, a plus symbol and a minus symbol. These are your manual zoom controls. Click on the plus icon and you'll see the map zoom in smoothly, bringing you closer to ground level and showing finer details of the area you're viewing. This is perfect when you need precise control over how much you're zooming in. Similarly, you can click on the minus icon and the map will zoom out, gradually revealing a wider geographical area. This is especially helpful when you want to see the bigger picture or understand how different locations relate to each other spatially. The advantage of using these manual controls is that they provide consistent, predictable zoom increments with each click, making it easier to find exactly the zoom level you need. And that's it. You now have two effective methods to control your zoom level in Google Maps, giving you the flexibility to explore locations exactly how you want. Whether you prefer the speed of the scroll wheel or the precision of the manual controls, both methods will serve you well as you navigate through Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.